Hey guys, welcome back to the Slumber Yard, and sitting right behind me is the Leesa Sapira hybrid mattress. And today we're going to try to review everything that you need to know about this mattress before you buy it, since you can't really try it out for yourself in a store. Hey guys, I'm JD with the Slumber Yard, and over here we review online mattresses, and we're going to try to tell you everything that you need to know about this bed, starting with the policies that it's backed by. Then we'll delve into its construction, so the elements that really make up its overall design. We'll talk about feel, how firm it is, how much it costs, and at the very end I'll even sum things up with a final verdict so you can ultimately determine if this bed is going to be right for you or not. Now, if you enjoy this video, you get something out of it, and we maybe help you out towards your decision on this thing, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the Slumber Yard for so much more. And if you need any more information about this bed, we've done tons of other stuff, related content, which we will try to link down below in the description box of this video for you guys. But without further ado, let's review the Leesa Sapira hybrid.
At the Slumber Yard, we work real hard to find the right bed for you and save you money on it.
Alrighty, so for starters, let's talk policies. What exactly are you going to be backed by in terms of shipping, returns, trial periods, and warranties with a Sapira hybrid mattress? And for the record, I do want to mention that we did receive this bed for free from Leesa to review and tell you guys about it. But the first thing this bed is going to come with is completely free bed-in-a-box shipping. So the mattress will likely arrive at your door stuffed inside of a big box and compressed tightly in plastic. And all you got to do is just drag that box into your bedroom and with the help of a friend, unbox the thing, which is really easy to do and actually kind of fun. We've unboxed hundreds of beds over here at the Slumber Yard, and it somehow manages to never get old. It's a really fun process. Unboxing your brand new bed and ripping off all the packaging is really nice and kind of a joy to watch. And since you spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars on a brand new bed, you should be getting a lot out of this whole process. Now, since the Sapira hybrid is indeed a hybrid mattress that features pocketed coils on the bottom, it'll likely spring into its original shape pretty quick, much faster than an all foam counterpart. But in any case, you might want to give the bed an hour or two to really get to its true firmness level and properly expand. But once the mattress is set up and in your possession, you also get a trial period of 100 full nights to basically see if the mattress is right for you or not before you're completely stuck with it. You can really test the bed out and give it a good college try before you end up wanting to keep it or return it. And in the case you do want to return it, you can get completely free returns with the Leesa Sapira hybrid mattress within those first 100 full nights. Though Leesa as a brand will probably ask you to try it out for at least 30, before you really make your final decision. But in the case you do decide to keep this bed, which I think should be the case for most folks out there, as it's quite a nice mattress, it is backed by a standard 10-year warranty, and we'll try to link some more information about all the policies that I just covered down below in the description box, at least the more finer details about those. But now it's that point in the video to go over what this bed is actually made up of, and since this is a pretty quality hybrid bed, there's a lot going on here. So at the bottom, it starts off with a thin layer of base foam just to provide a foundation for everything else to rest on, and then above that you have the bed's main support system of pocketed coils. Now, we've talked a lot about pocketed coils on this channel, but basically what they are individually siloed springs that are encased in fabric. And unlike your more traditional inner spring chassis where the coils all move as one big unit, these coils move rather independently of one another, which allows for some superior motion isolation advantages and better airflow. And most importantly, they are very supportive and durable for especially heavier folks. So if you're in the range of 200 pounds and up, you're probably going to want to look into a hybrid bed as opposed to an all foam one. And on the Leesa Sapira hybrid, those coils are actually reinforced along the edges to provide some really nice edge support, so you're probably not going to be falling off this mattress anytime soon. Now, above those coils, you have a more responsive transitional layer of foam to act as a buffer between all those pocketed coils, and the bed's second transitional layer of memory foam, which gives the bed a good amount of pressure relief. And just beneath that soft gray, kind of cool pattern cover, you have the bed's main comfort layer of a soft or neutral comfort foam. This top layer is perforated with all these little holes to amount for some pretty nice breathability and airflow within the bed, and all of the foams used within the Leesa Sapira hybrid are CertaPure US certified, which is a great certification to have in a bed's construction. But this overall design adds up to give the Sapira hybrid a soft neutral foam feel that is pretty responsive due to the coils. So you're going to get quite a bit of support and bounce from this mattress while getting a little bit of pressure relief from those various comfort layers on top of the coils. And we just think this is a really accommodating coil bed, a really nice hybrid mattress that is pretty quality, and we think it should be accommodating for pretty much 9 out of 10 sleepers out there. So the coils do give the bed quite a bit of support and bounce, while the various foam layers above them balance everything out with a bit of pressure relief. It feels to us like a comfy coil bed that practically anyone should find comfortable and accommodating, but it is going to be on the firmer end of the spectrum. In terms of firmness, we would clock the Leesa Sapira hybrid right at a proper medium firm on our scale. So it should work out fine for all sleeper types, but it'll give the slide support advantage for stricter back and stomach sleepers. Now, if that firmness level isn't sounding exactly right for you, that's totally fine because Leesa as a brand offers a number of other mattress options for you to choose from that vary slightly in terms of firmness. They have the Leesa Studio, which is more of a medium, more of a memory foam option that's also a budget-friendly pick. They have their original Leesa mattress, one of the safest picks within the online space, soft neutral foam feel right around a medium firmness as well. They have some other quality hybrid options, including the original Leesa Hybrid and the Leesa Legend, which is a really quality pick, really premium option there. And we'll try to link all of the mattress that Leesa offers as a brand down below in the description box for you guys to peruse. Now it's that point in the video to go over some fun facts.
Fun fact time! Fun fact time! It's time for some fun fact. It's fun fact time!
Beautiful song, even better graphic. But for the Leesa Sapira Hybrid, Leesa as a brand is a certified B Corporation, which means that they care about the social and environmental impact they have on the world as a company. And bonus fun fact for you guys, you're getting a twofer here. Leesa as a brand actually donates 1 mattress for every 10 they sell. So by purchasing a Leesa bed, you're pretty much supporting a really nice cause.
Bonus fun fact! Bonus fun fact! Bonus fun fact!
Yeah. We'll try to link more information about Leesa as a brand and the charitable efforts that they do down below in the description box as well for you guys. But now it's time to discuss price. So how much exactly are you going to be shelling out for the Sapira Hybrid when all is said and done? And before I go into this, I do want to preface this section by saying that mattress pricing within the online space changes often. So if this pricing isn't looking exactly what I'm talking about as of when you're watching this video, you know, that's my bad, but check in the description because whatever is most current and up to date should be linked down there for you. But as of when I'm doing this video right now, you should expect to pay right around the $1,700 range after discount for the Sapira Hybrid in a queen size. Leesa as a brand is usually pretty good at the discounts and promotions that they run, so in any case, we should have something linked down below in the description to help you out with these savings. And if you do use that discount that's located in our description, it actually helps to support our channel and we really appreciate that. But that's pretty much going to sum it up for this review of the Sapira Hybrid. This is one of the most quality hybrid beds from Leesa as a brand, and I think it's definitely worth your consideration at the end of the day. But really, what is our final verdict over here at the Slumber Yard? Well, in our humble opinion, we would say look into the Sapira Hybrid if you want a supportive coil mattress with a neutral foam feel that's a bit firmer for back and stomach sleepers, and you want to buy a quality bed from a reputable brand that also helps to support, charitable organizations. But that's pretty much what we think on it. What is your take? When it comes to the Sapira Hybrid, what do you think of this mattress? Would you buy it? Would you not? Write us down below in the comments and let us know your thoughts. Again, if you need any more information about this bed, we should have a ton more stuff linked down below in the description, a bunch of helpful content to help you out with your online mattress search. And if you enjoyed this video and you got something out of it, drop a like on it, consider subscribing to the channel for more, but that's gonna do it for this one. Again, I'm JD with the Slumber Yard. Hopefully you're doing well out there, and like always, sleep right, sleep tight, and we'll see you next time.
Bonus fun fact!
Bonus fun fact! I am an online mattress reviewer. Okay, bye. See ya.
Slumber Yard. You've been watching my Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. My Slumber Yard. Slumber Yard. Come on now. My Slumber Yard. Like and subscribe.